Hi there! Sometimes, before you have uploaded your space into HyperSkill, you want to test the collisions and lighting and other features. In order to do this, you are going to want to bring in a person or a virtual controller into your scene and have it move about. This can be found under your standard assets, first person character, FPS controller prefab, and all you need to do is drag it into your scene. You can see it in your space dragged in here, and all you then need to do is maneuver it to wherever you would like to begin your testing. So in my case, with my example here, I'm going to move it to the start of my little course here. Okay. And then when I hit this play button up here, in this game view down here, I will be able to see and control my character. So now you can see what my character sees. The controls are the same as they are in HyperSkill, with W, A, and D to move, or the resulting arrow keys. You can also hold down Shift to sprint, or press spacebar to jump. And with this, I am able to clearly move about my space, testing how the collisions work, and confirming that I am able to collide with the floor and walls. Once you are done with your test, you can press the escape button, which will free your mouse. You can go up to the play button here to stop the testing. Now what is important is that you make sure that before you upload your virtual space, that the controller is not included within your space. So either I recommend doing this test in a copy of your scene that you are not uploading, or just be very careful and make sure that the FPS controller has been deleted before you finish your upload. With that concludes my demonstration and example of how to test within your virtual space, and I wish you the best in your creation. Thank you.